and 30. 4. Yeah, 2 and 30. 4. Yeah, better. 2 and 30. 4, 1. Yeah, and now another thing. So you just learned this step. You go back, replace, point, turn. Back, replace, like show that point a little bit. And chikida. Yeah, point. Yeah, nice. More cross body. More stay with me.
Stay with you?
Yeah, more this.
Oh, okay.
And now, you see this? Like, watch, swing it till here. Go. Yeah, cheek and a cheek. What? Stay with me. Stay with me here.
Okay.
Cross body, like this. Mm-hmm. So in a way, something like, is he sure? You should be able to read sure. Here, now swing the behind his back. Yeah. Tigiri. Stay one more with me. Yeah. And then now, step slightly this way, diagonally behind him.
Okay.
Yeah. So instead, you don't have to go here. You can go slightly here. Cheek in a cheek, inner thighs. Here. You see, I'm here. Yeah. Cheek and a cheek. So you're playing? Yeah. Like you don't want to see him. Okay. And then you flip your head here. Okay. And use him. You see, like, use him so he can, so almost he's falling. Like, use him to, yeah. And 2 and 30. And look at me. And now at me. 2 and 30. And and at me. 2 and 30. Look at me.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
Like,
here,
no, it's here. Right. Yeah. It's on outside. T and 30. And brush your inner thighs. Wait. Tight and tight. Always tight. Upper thighs, tightness. Pretty.